much. I'd like to introduce now Nicole Mullenkamp. Where is she? Oh, she's coming up behind me. Nicole is a beautiful young lady from Russia. She is the youth minister at St. Remi Catholic Church in Russia, Ohio. And she's a former employee of One More Soul. Went off to get her master's degree in marriage and family life or something like that at the John Paul II Institute in Washington, D.C. And we owe Nicole a round of applause and thanks for these Protect Religious Freedom signs. On her own volition, she went out and raised some seed money to buy these signs, and we have 2,000 more coming on Monday.
Yay! I don't need to convince you all of the urgency of why we're here. I looked around Shelby County and I thought, man, we don't have any signs. Nobody's talking about this issue. It's not even surfacing for very long in any of the debates. And I thought, we need to make some noise. So these signs should be a badge of honor for people to put out in their yards. And it's a very concrete way of people creating a presence in their neighborhoods and in their communities to get people to go, what is this about? Maybe I should look into this. So we decided, I did have some help to print these signs, and we have a threefold mission. One is to encourage people to pray and fast, and on October 28th at Maria Stein, Shrine of Holy Relics, we're encouraging people to go on pilgrimage, to journey and pray for religious freedom. We're going to have 3 hours of prayer and Eucharistic adoration with beautiful music and prayers and petitioning God for this cause. The second mission is to educate, and that's what these newspapers that One More Soul printed does just well. They're hardcore and they educate people on the issue and what's at stake. So that's part of our mission. And then the third part would be the signs for getting them out there. Now, what can you do? In 1 week, the signs that you see here, this is what's left out of the 2,000. In 1 week, people got serious and they just were flying off like, you know, out of the GOP offices and out of people's homes. So we have 2,000 more coming in on Monday. And if you are interested in helping be a part of getting the word out about these signs, we need people to organize the effort in their area. North of Dayton is taken care of. We need some more help in Dayton, south of Dayton, and there's actually some people in Columbus who found out about this on Facebook and they're organizing the effort there. So in 1 week, seriously, this is what's happened. So we have another week, 2,000 more signs. We would like to see them disappear in 1 week, just like these have. So if you're interested in being involved, there's a notebook over here. I'll take your contact information. And if you want to organize this educational effort in your town, county, we need people to call GOP offices and say, hey, we have these signs, can we bring them by? We need people to call churches and say, hey, these signs are available. Would your church be interested in passing them out? I myself cannot do this, but on my own, so if there's people interested in getting involved, you can speak to me after the rally. And if you could make at least a $2 donation for the signs, that will help us to print more. Thank you.